Welcome to this tutorial on how to sort best places city comparison. A valuable tool for anyone looking to relocate or research different cities. The Best Places website provides a comprehensive comparison of various cities across the United States, covering factors such as cost of living, climate, education, and more. To begin, navigate to the Best Places website and select the City Comparison tool. You will be prompted to choose two or more cities to compare, which can be done by typing the city names into the search bar or selecting from a list of popular cities. Once you have selected your cities, you will be taken to a comparison page that displays a wide range of data, including demographics, housing, transportation, and crime statistics. To sort the data, look for the drop-down menu at the top of the page, which allows you to select the criteria by which you want to compare the cities. For example, if you are looking for the city with the lowest cost of living, select the cost of living option from the drop-down menu. The data will then be sorted to show the city with the lowest cost of living at the top. You can also sort the data by other factors, such as median home price, commute time, or air quality. In addition to sorting the data, you can also customize the comparison by selecting which specific data points to display. This can be done by clicking on the Customize button at the top of the page, which allows you to choose from a wide range of data categories. To get the most out of the City Comparison tool, it is a good idea to have a clear idea of what you are looking for in a city. Make a list of your priorities, such as a low cost of living, good schools, or a short commute time. You can then use the sorting and customization options to focus on the data that is most relevant to your needs. By following these steps and using the Best Places City Comparison tool, you can make an informed decision about which city is the best fit for you. Remember to consider multiple factors and prioritize your needs to get the most out of the comparison tool. With this guide, you are now equipped to sort and compare cities like a pro, and find the best place to call home.